Welcome to our Regeneration Biology high-quality pharmaceutical brand. Cell culture media. Description: product name, CMRL 1066 without L-glutamine, phenol red. Catalog No, PG021. Product format, liquid. Stored at 4 degrees Celsius. General information. CMRL 1066 is a chemically defined medium developed in the late 1960s at the Connell Medical Research Laboratories. CMRL 1066 was designed initially for use with mouse cell cells in non-supplemented culture. Although developed for use in serum-free culture, CMRL 1066 can be supplemented with serum and used to support the growth of many cell types. Suitable for growing a wide variety of cell types, especially fibroblast-like cells. About Regeneration Biology. Regeneration Biology is one of the world's leading biotechnology companies. Regeneration Biology is a values-based pharmaceuticals company. Our plan is to use our experience and knowledge to discover and develop effective molecular therapeutics for patients with serious illnesses. Regeneration Biology LLC, Limited is in USD and Canada. Regeneration Biology, its leading integrated global life sciences industry, specializing in FBS, VTM SARS-CoV-2 detection kits, multiplex ELISA kits, 3D human blood-brain barrier model, or in vitro BBB models, and manufacturing antibodies. Indeed, we supply biopharmaceutical products by meeting the developing needs of the global healthcare industry. Contact us. Website, www.regenerationbiology.com. Email, sales@regenerationbiology.com. Facebook, www.facebook.com/regenerationbiology.